In this video, let's look at the way that you can view analytics on DailyMotion. If you have started to get views and engagements on your videos in DailyMotion and you're trying to look at the data that you have from your channel, in this video, let me show you how. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up a web browser and let's head over to dailymotion.com. Inside of DailyMotion, to view your analytics, you need to hover over your profile icon on the top right and then click on Studio. Inside of the Studios page, you'll be able to see the option called Analytics on the bottom. You can just click on the Analytics tab and there are few sections to view: the Overview, Performance, Followers, and the Engagement tab. Now, if you don't see this option, you are not yet a partner of DailyMotion Studios. If you are not yet a partner, you'll be able to see the option called Become a Partner on the bottom left of your screen. You can just click on it, agree to the terms and conditions, and right after that, you'll be able to view the analytics section. Now, to view the overall analytics of your channel, you can click on the Overview tab. And firstly, you can sort your information through the data source of your content or your embeds. And also you can change in the time of the analytics time frame. So example, if you want to view the entire month, you can click on 30 days and then you'll be able to see the number of views you got, the number of hours watched, the view through rate, and your estimated earnings. Now, because this is a new channel, not much information is being displayed. But however, if you do have views, you can scroll down further and you can see further information and further breakdown. Similarly, this is the Overview tab. You can switch between performance, followers, and engagement to get a detailed view of the data that you have on your videos on DailyMotion. So that was a video about the way that you can view your analytics on DailyMotion. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.